Good morning, almost fourth graders. I can't believe that it's almost the end of the school year. We are at our final week of the year together. It's a little bit of a mixed feelings I have right now, a little bit of happiness, and I'm proud of you all, but also a little bit of sadness because I'm going to miss you all too. So let's take a look at our week. You will notice that our week is a little bit of a shorter week because it is our last week, but we do still have our weekly agenda to keep track of our optional and our not optional assignments. Today is Monday, so today is T. We're still counting down our letters of the alphabet. So today is T, thankful thoughts and messages. You can write a message to someone you are thankful to. Maybe a friend, a teacher, it could be a past teacher that you had maybe in second grade or first grade, maybe a specialist, maybe a specialist teachers, or even a parent or siblings. Remember, you can look for teachers' emails on Outlook. If you are able to use your email, all you have to do is type in their last name and they will pop up. All right, we have our read aloud for the week. This is the last 4 chapters of Charlotte's Web. I hope those of you who have listened to it have enjoyed it, but these are the last 4 chapters. All right, so we have our summer birthday celebration this week. What myself and Mrs. Traverson did is we created a Flipgrid to wish your friends who have summer birthdays a happy early birthday. For our class, we have 4 summer birthdays, Nathan, Philip, Ethan, and Carlos. So wish our boys a happy birthday, early birthday. And also you can wish Mrs. Traverson's class, Debbie, Adeline, Jai, and Brendan a happy birthday as well. All right, so Mr. Satari sent out the newsletter on Friday, and this week, today and tomorrow, we would be going to see the talent show if we were in school, but instead we are going to be watching a virtual talent show. So visit the Flipgrid here. What's going to happen with this Flipgrid, because it is not our class Flipgrid, you will actually have to use a code to enter the Flipgrid and put in the password. Make sure you spell Warren Stauffer correctly and 2020. For the assignment today, this is a mandatory assignment, which means you have to do it, is the reading and writing. You're going to reflect on your work as a reader and writer this year. So what we did is we wrote some ideas of skills we worked in both reading and in writing. So for example, in reading, we did character studies. We learned about characters. Nonfiction, synthesizing, mysteries, summarizing, predicting, stops and jots, and writing about reading. And then for writing, we have narrative, show, don't tell, bring your story to life, a thesis, opinion, realistic fiction, informational writing, paragraphs, spellings, transitions, dialogue, and punctuation. Wow, you boys and girls have learned so much. So what we're asking you to do today is to visit Flipgrid and share your strengths and areas of growth that you want to continue to work on in reading and writing. And what is your plan this summer to strengthen those skills and continue to become stronger readers and writers? All right, and in math today we have our final escape room. You all have been doing such a great job escaping the rooms. Today you're going to enter the escape room and complete the end of the year escape. There will be 5 questions with a mixture of different skills that we have learned about this year. I'm giggling because the little girl is really funny looking. I'm mighty confused. Hopefully she's able to escape the room like you guys. And then last but not least, we have our science activity STEM challenge today. You are going to construct a kite that will raise and stay up in the air. Try to design a kite and test it out. You can do this today, you can do this tomorrow, you can do this throughout the week. This is an optional assignment. I hope you have fun with it. It's so cute, you guys. There are so many of you. I see Philip. Look at this. You guys were so little. This is from Mrs. Traverson. There's Philip and Michael and Andrew and Sophia and Sanjana from first grade when you guys did this with Mrs. Traverson. So I hope that you all have a great day today. Work hard, even though it is the last 3 days of school. Give it your all just like it was the first day of school. And other than that, be good, be kind, and shine bright. Bye, boys and girls.